Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I'll be guiding you to find the clipboard on a Samsung phone. If you don't know where you can find the clipboard on a Samsung phone, but you want to know it and you want to use it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to make sure that you open any app where you can type message, notes, or just send a text to your friend. So let's say I'll simply open Notepad for now, and I'll simply show it to you like this. So let's say if I want to just clipboard this, but I don't know where to do it. You just need to type or the number or the thing which you just want to clipboard, and after opening the keyboard, here you'll see the various option like emoji, AI, translate, and this is the clipboard option. A paper like icon will be shown on the keyboard section. So if you click on it, this is the clipboard section, and now you'll see your copied items like text, images, link, and all of it. So if you simply copy like this and click on the option of copy, here you will be able to see all of the copied items which you have done till now. So this is where you can find the clipboard on Samsung. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.